Hey guys, welcome back to the Trucking with Nate YouTube channel. Hope everybody's doing good. I am here in Wisconsin, waiting to deliver in the morning. I've still got to do the tanks, but touched up the wheels a little bit. Got a little bit left on the inside. And basically my tanks and top of my APU steps left to do, but I'm tired. It's been a long day. Just gonna hang out here. Hopefully get this kicked off in the morning and head to northern Wisconsin, pick up some potatoes and head back south. Got to go to Arkansas. So just thought I'd touch base, see how everybody was doing, what everybody was up to. And that's about all I'm up to tonight. Just trying to clean a little bit. I need to do my tank. Basically my whole trailer. I've just been kind of slacking on it. My wheels need to be done too. If anybody knows a good polish person, maybe down in Arkansas, hit me up. I'll be heading that way. I'd like to do back here too, maybe up there. Give me a shout. Let me know where everybody's at tonight. Hope y'all are having a good week so far. And if you see me on the road, give me a shout. Told you guys that before. Actually had a few people so far that's recognized my truck off of YouTube twice, and mainly off of my Instagram, because I post there more, because I don't have to talk to my phone like a dummy. So anyway, like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. Give me a shout again, like I said earlier, if you know of a place that can maybe polish this thing better. It needs to have a wheel put on it and done better. All I can do is just hand, which it doesn't look bad, but it really needs to be done professionally. It hasn't been done since I bought it September 2 years ago. Don't hate me, just kidding. Anyway, I'll leave y'all be. I know I'm already boring enough, so let me know about that, and let me know where you guys are at. Hope y'all have a good rest of your week. We'll talk to you more later. See ya.